Hi, this is Dr. Jeff Kannen. I'm a primary care sports medicine physician with Florida Orthopaedic Institute. I went to medical school at Lake Erie College of Osteopathic Medicine up in Erie, Pennsylvania. It was a great school, a great teaching environment. So I did my fellowship in sports medicine with the University of South Florida. I worked with the sports teams there. I also worked with a few of the professional teams in the Tampa Bay area. So sports medicine is a field of medicine that's more specialized in treating athletes, as well as any people who just want to stay active in their daily life. So I treat all conditions, all musculoskeletal conditions. I treat fractures. I also treat overuse injuries and degenerative conditions. Typically, it would be some sort of overuse injury, be it in a runner who starts to get knee pain, or if there's an ankle sprain on the sideline, or a football injury such as like an ACL or a concussion as well. Yeah, so I like to treat each patient individually based on the nature of their complaint. Some of these are more straightforward and some tend to be a little bit more complex depending on the age and also their history of any injuries. The most rewarding part of my job is seeing either an athlete or a patient either recover from their injury or get back to the sport or activity that they like to enjoy. So when you come to Florida Orthopaedic Institute, you will be in good hands here. You'll be able to trust your physician, and you'll be able to find a physician who will take very good care of you.